Welcome to Food from My Kitchen. This is the channel for you if you are interested in fresh, fun, exciting cooking. This channel was created because I'm passionate about cooking and eating great food. Hosting dinner parties and entertaining is what I do, and I look forward to sharing my recipes with you. I'll guide you through step by step, with each series taking on a different focus. So whether that be vegetarian cooking, working with seafood, or fast food favorites, Food from My Kitchen has got you covered. My videos are filmed in a cook along with me style, so just let the video play and we will do the rest together. And if while you're watching you have an idea for a new creation, or there is something you would like to learn how to cook, leave a comment down below. I love to hear your suggestions. So, are you ready for the first video? I'm looking forward to this journey we will take together. So if you want to be a part of this journey, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now.